the airport, going to hotel. Yeah, the Puerto Princesa. Good morning, Puerto Princesa. Today we are coming to visit the shopping mall of Puerto Princesa, one of the biggest shopping mall of SM Mall. Okay, just strolling around SM Mall. Okay, right now we are at Mitra Farm. It's one of the best place to hang out in Puerto Princesa while you are in Puerto Princesa. Wow, small boats, very nice. Wow. Okay, from here we can see the sea, Puerto Princesa. Very nice view. Here we can see this farmhouse. This is a private property. We're just going to look around this Mitra farm. Okay, now we are at Barker's Hill. Okay, now we are at Barker's Hill inside.
Baigi sana 볼게요. Tara na, uwi na tayo. Mamaya sige ready. Ako dala mo cellphone niyo. Yun daw ng kaldo ni Busi.
Good evening from Puerto Princesa. Now we are going to Baywalk, and this is the one famous place for the local and for foreigner also to come for the good food and walk around the bay. It's nice. We have some nice restaurant as well.
Bisaya. For our foreigners, Bisaya is one of the dialect in the Philippines, and Spanish. So it's mixed. Mayad, nga, timprano, kanindong, tanan. It means good morning, everyone. Okay, ma'am, sir, by the way po, before we start our tour, this is our team. This is our group. We are together for the whole day activity, for the whole day tour. So everyone, you are 5 group. Okay, ma'am, did you know each other? Did you meet in the other tour like City Tour, Honda Bay, El Nido, or this is your first time together? If you like, it depends on the group kasi it's too early pa for the lunch. Ma'am, instead just stay longer in the wharf. Regarding the line, no need to line po. Ha? That's why you have tour guide. Ma'am, I'm the one to process everything. So, ako na po, I'm the representative of our group. So, ang gagawin nyo, just relax and enjoy your day. Okay, welcome to the Abortion Road and free massage. Ayan, this is a private land owned by SM Mall. SM.
Okay, finally we are here, and we're going to the main group too.
Nagtamilok kayo?
Doon, naghanap si Ranji.
Okay. Hanggang ito na po siya yung dead-end ng tour natin. Dito sa Bertolo. Opo, yung nauna sa atin, sir. Hello. Good morning.
Kanina, doon kayo nakita-kita sa van.
Magta-try ng tamilok daw, papakita lang. So all of you, wave the hands for everyone. Included the boatman, you bring him to your town, to your places.
Pindot na ulit eh.
Okay.
Special tent, nursery of fishes, marine seafoods are the best. Please don't cut and burning. We must love and caring. Shellfish, crab and fishes come to this unique place. Tamilok, the special test. Hey! Lobsters now are the best. Hey! Oysters are delicious. All of them nutritious. We must love and caring all aqua living things to support the livelihood in the source and mangroves. Thank you, my friends. You are always welcome in mangroves again. We say you will be come back again. We're waiting for you all the time. Thank you very much. Yan po, kumanta kasi ako.
This is Tamilo.
Yes, that's the known exotic food here. Come along everyone, let's go!
Tamilok.
So this is the
Tamilok.
Tamilok.
So you going to eat?
If you like later in the restaurant, sir. Oops. Okay.
Yan ay karapong lang nakuha namin.
Okay.
Bakit ano natin sila?
Sige daw ba?
No, it's going to raining. Okay, now the time for lunch. We're gonna lunch a little bit early because see, so later we're gonna do the underground water. So here we're gonna our lunch. Okay. Black avocado, huh? Right now we're at port to going to underground river. Finally, we are at our destination. We're going to observe underground river. So we are here. So it's truly paradise. See? Right now we are at Puerto Princesa.We River National Park has been inscribed on the World Heritage List of the concerning the protection of the world cultural and natural heritage. Inscription of the list confirms the expression universal value of a cultural or natural site which deserve protection for the benefits of all humanity. The park encompasses one of the world's most impressive cave systems featuring spectacular limestone karst landscape, pristine natural beauty and intact old growth forest and distinct wildlife. Okay. See. Start to enjoy the cake. Okay, now we are here. Ooh. Inside the cave, one of the 7 new wonder nature. Wow, you see? Wow, this is so wonderful.
Okay, next, everyone, see you tomorrow. Sorry, 25 minutes and just.
You can see a lot of birds as well.